Hey guys, a very good morning from Allahabad and welcome back to your favorite travel channel Raz and Ash. So guys, I've come to a very unique place here in Allahabad. It's the KHUSRO BAGH, and trust me guys, this place has it all. So first of all, this place is spread across 40 acres of land. It has perfect jogging tracks over here. You can play over here, you can pray over here, and you can do a lot of exercises over here. But what if I told you that this place also has a very important part in India's history? And to be precise, this place also is a very important chapter in the Mughal dynasty. So I'm pretty sure you must be thinking, hey Rahul, get out of town. How can a place like a garden like this be a part of Mughal dynasty? Let me show it to you. So guys, this is KHUSRO BAGH, and the beautiful it looks, the more fascinating it looks. Trust me that it has even more fascinating history behind it. So let me give you a bit of a gyan and try to take you back in those days and how this place was formed. So when Akbar passed away, he gave away his throne to Jehangir, and Jehangir feared that his own son Khusro might try to take away the throne from Jehangir. So what Jehangir did, he kept Khusro under house arrest, and when Khusro tried to escape, his own brother Shah Jahan killed him. So we know Shah Jahan, he was a famous ruler. He has built many beautiful architectures. So this place was then built to house the tombs of three people. The first tomb over here belongs to Khusro, the second tomb belongs to Khusro's mother, and the third tomb is of Khusro's sister. Yes, it has a fascinating history, and I can't believe that people of Allahabad, they wake up and they come over here for a morning walk, walking amidst such a vibrant history. It's fascinating and mind-blowing. So today I have come alone because Aishwarya is not a morning person. So I thought, why not make the best use of the day, as I woke up around 6 a.m. in the morning and I directly tied my shoes. So Aishwarya's house is just about 5 minutes away from KHUSRO BAGH. So if you also want to come to KHUSRO BAGH, it's situated here in Lukaganj, and you can search it up on the Google Maps. I'll share the link of the Google Maps in the description box below. So do make sure that if you are in Allahabad, do check out this place. It's something else. You don't see that in many cities. This is the fascinating history and the fascinating KHUSRO BAGH. So I hope you're liking the video, and if you are liking it, please do like and comment, as it helps us and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to showcase our videos higher on the search. Also, if you haven't subscribed us yet, please hit that subscribe button and do subscribe us and do support us. So guys, I'm sure आपको वो drone shots बहुत epic लगे होंगे, and do subscribe for the drone shots. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं प्रयागराज रेलवे स्टेशन. No, we are not going. We are going to pick someone up. So let's go. So guys, हम सब जा रहे हैं अभी मूवी देखने. So yesterday ब्रह्मास्त्र got released and we all decided चलो यार आज Saturday है, चलो मूवी देखी जाए. So we are going to PVR Vinayak right now. PVR Vinayak is in Civil Lines, and Civil Lines is as good as the Connaught Place of Delhi. So you can find good restaurants, good shopping places in Civil Lines. So the plan is to watch Brahmastra and to eat food outside, and I will take you to a very interesting place, a very good food and very economical. And whenever I come to Allahabad, हम ज़रूर जाते हैं. Which popcorn?
Salted वाला, ये cheese वाला मत लाना मेरे लिए.
Safety is our priority. Kindly follow.
So we are done with the movie Brahmastra Part 1. It was really nice.
काफ़ी अच्छी थी.
Yes.
I liked it.
Let's ask our family how did they like it.
Yeah, a very nice movie. Great, good graphics and nice engaging story.
अच्छी मूवी थी, मुझे अच्छी लगी.
Movie was good, VFX was good, and overall I'll wait for the part 2 as well. Thank you.
I loved the movie. It was amazing. Ranbir Kapoor, you rocked. Ayan Mukherjee, well done. Alia Bhatt, amazing. Amitabh Bachchan, all the characters were too good. Must watch.
So will you watch the second part?
Yeah, sure. Definitely. I'm looking forward. Hi guys, welcome back again. So we are at Mahima restaurant. It's not a restaurant, it's a dhaba style restaurant. But I have been coming with my family since childhood. We love the food, yaar. It's too good.
So guys, we have got, this is dal. This is
paneer butter masala and paneer labab dal.
and this is mixed veg.
This looks yummy.
Okay guys, done for the day. So we'll be ending the vlog over here right now. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.